For assignment 1 of food microbiology and safety, I choose fried kway teow as a daily menu in Hospital Sultanah Nur Zahirah, Kuala Terengganu. Okay, microbiological hazard occur when foods become contaminated by microorganisms found in air or food. Microbiological critical control point is to control the identified microbiological hazard include quality of raw ingredients, time or temperature relationships. Microbiological critical limit is the criteria that must be met for each preventive measure at critical control point. You can see here there are three microbiological hazard risk factor, which are human resources, processing risk, and raw material risk. First one is human resources. Human resources is human error in the supply chain structure can lead to halal integrity issues. Meaning here that bila kecuaian ataupun kelalaian seorang manusia dapat menjejaskan kualiti makanan itu sendiri. Employee knowledge, management commitment, and service play a large role in the production of halal in order to manage raw material from suppliers, product possession, storage, and distribution to the consumer. Okay, the second one is processing risk. There are many different steps in food processing. This is where raw materials are turned into another form of food. In my case, I changed raw material of kway teow into fried kway teow. The processing stage is very important because it is where risk assessment are done to make sure the food is safe and to check out how good the halal products are. And the greatest danger is the cross-contamination of cooked or semi-cooked with raw foods that may contain bacteria that cause food poisoning. And the last one is raw material risk. Food contamination is mainly caused by raw material factors such as contamination of the environment and raw material transportation. Kat sini kita boleh tengok ada dua faktor yang menyumbang kepada contamination, iaitu environment and transportation. As you can see here, there are three critical control points, which are washing, cooking, and packaging or plating. Critical control point number 1 is washing the noodles. Make sure to use clean water to wash the noodle or any raw materials. Avoid to use air yang bertakung. Okay, we wash it again if there is still foreign material present in it. Kalau rasa tak yakin atau rasa ragu-ragu bersih ke tidak noodles yang kita nak guna untuk masak, kita boleh basuh balik untuk memastikan ia betul-betul bersih. The supervisor should conduct a visual inspection to maintain good hygiene and quality control. Supervisor memainkan peranan penting dalam memastikan produk atau raw material bebas dari foreign materials. Critical control point number 2 is cooking. The cooking process takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook fried kway teow, and in order to make sure the food is fully cooked and in inactivation of foodborne pathogen. The right time and temperature play a big role in this process because the food danger zone range from 5 to 64 degrees Celsius and the temperature and the cooking temperature should be higher than 65 degrees Celsius. Danger zone is the temperature range in which bacteria grow rapidly and can be harmful to human health. The cooking assistant needs to monitor it by measuring the temperature using a kitchen temperature. And the last critical control point is packaging or plating. During plating, the plate should be free from any contaminated things such as foreign substances like hair or dust. In order to get rid of that, the staff need to double check the condition of plate before serving the food. That's all from me. Thank you.